Hello kids, today we will see how water transforms. We have three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. In its solid state, it's ice. In its liquid state, it's water. And in its gas state, it's water vapor. Increasing temperature means hotter, and decreasing temperature means cooler. Physical state of water changes with temperature. In its solid state, when it is exposed to increasing temperature or hot, changes to liquid. In its liquid form, when it is exposed to increasing temperature or hot, it will change to gas. When we expose water to decreasing temperature, it also changes. Gas exposed to cooler temperature becomes liquid, and liquid exposed to decreasing or cooler temperature becomes solid. Now it's time for your experiment. What do you need? You need one plate, ice cubes, and a watch. What will you do? You need to choose a warm place for the experiment, like your balcony or yard. You will put the ice cubes on the plate at 1 p.m. The time is very important. Leave the experiment and come back at 2 p.m. Make observations. What happened to the ice? Leave the experiment again and come back at 4 p.m. What happened? Make observations and complete the worksheet attached on Google Classroom. Have fun! See you!